Then here is Kanban and Kanban's flow. Kanban and the parts flow. So this is line, assembly line here. As you go to the Kyushu plant, then you see a Kanban post here with interval of 10 meters. Then at first, Kanban will be taken off. They will be put in Kanban post. Then the team leader comes to pick them up every hour. Then the team leader will take it to the office, which is called receiving. And then so receiving area, like they collect all the Kanbans from different places. And then they use a sorter to sort by products and by makers, by suppliers. And then after it's sorted, then they will send the Kanbans and also the empty boxes to go to the parts maker and place an order, and then the maker provides the parts based on the previous Kanban, and then the truck driver will pick up the parts and then go back to Toyota. And then in this receiving, there's a person in charge of transportation, and then that person will feed these parts to the line side. And this flow is called Kanban system. And also this is called pulling system too. So the person who needs, which is the post-process, will come and pick up the quantity you need and the products you need. And then the previous process will manufacture after the parts are pulled. So you don't keep any extra inventory in this manner. So TMC established this Kanban system and they succeeded the great cost reduction. Toyota is a big company, but they don't have any big storage for the parts. So they keep the minimum inventory. At the same time, they just do the operation based on the Kanban system. So like once the order is placed by customer, they start making it. Just in time, in order to do just in time, the Heijunka level production has to be established.